The KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile 4-in-1 device designed for convenience and efficiency. With a powerful 16,000 pascal suction and a 120-watt high-power motor, it tackles dirt, dust, and debris effortlessly in cars, homes, offices, or even pet areas. Its 3-speed adjustable settings allow users to customize suction power based on cleaning needs, making it effective for everything from delicate surfaces to tougher messes. This vacuum comes equipped with multiple nozzles to handle a variety of tasks, from reaching tight corners to cleaning larger areas. The inclusion of an air duster function adds even more utility, ideal for blowing out dust from keyboards, vents, or other hard-to-reach spots. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition, illuminating dark spaces and ensuring no dirt is missed during cleaning. Compact and lightweight, this vacuum is easy to maneuver and store. Its multifunctional design makes it a great investment for anyone seeking